songs, you know, there are a lot of Bengali songs that came into Hindi, but the ones that you heard, Mendicha Panavara, was the other way around. It went from Marathi to Bengali, and
yes, because that's because Sachin Chatte was very fond of Late Lata Mangeshkar, and Late Lata Mangeshkar also respected Sachin Chatte a lot. Sachin Chatte said that I will translate your songs in Bengali, the lyrics part, but these should be exposed to a wider audience. So Mendicha Panavara became Edin to Javena, and the other song which he very cleverly edited, Sachin, was the Meerat Takli. The chorus part of that song, that became the song in Bengali which he just played after that. So very nicely done. And for the Nepali song that was shown, the producer of the movie was King Virendra of Nepal, and Jaydev was the composer, and he told Jaydev that I want the opening song to be sung by Lata Mangeshkar. So,
and this was written by King Virendra. This song,
the song lyrics were also written by Jaydev. So when you say divinity in her voice, even the Shagun, the first song, the opening song should be Lata Mangeshkar's song. So.
First of all, big thanks to Archie and Pawan. As you know, Archie's come all the way from Bombay, Pawan has come all the way from Jaipur, especially for this show. A big round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. And parting thoughts before we play the last song for the evening.
So thank you all for staying back, first of all. Without you, it wouldn't have been possible, this particular session. And thanks to ESG and Sachin for inviting us for this. And actually, this was just a small effort to explore some corner of the vast canvas of creativity she has. That has, I would say, infinity of an sky and depth of an ocean. That kind of creativity Lata Mangeshkar has, and that still has so much of gems to explore beneath the surfaces over the years. And जैसे कहते हैं कि भाई समंदर कभी खत्म नहीं होता, लता मंगेशकर हमारे बीच में नहीं है, लेकिन वो खामोश नहीं हुई है। समंदर कभी खामोश नहीं होता, तो वो आवाज हमारे साथ चलती रहेगी। तो मेरा कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क फिर से मैं पूजा देशपांडे के पास जाता हूँ। मुझे नहीं पता कि भगवान है या नहीं, पर मुझे पता है कि सूरज है, मुझे पता है कि चांद है, और मुझे पता है कि लता की आवाज है।
Do you all think we should do a part 2 of this?
Oh yeah! And 3 and 4.
And 3 and 4 also. पहले 2 हो जाने तो फिर इतना भी आगे नहीं. But Archie, please your thoughts.
So nothing much. I think it's late. Thank you very much. It's an honor to be here and to present this lady's work. Her success I can just attribute to dichotomy. She has the tonal quality of a Sati Savitri, Vinamra, Bharatiya Nari, but her voice has the tayari of a Mujrawali. This difference of social strata nobody else could possess. You can have the tayari, but you don't have that kind of a tonal quality, the pure tonal quality. The flawlessness of her songs and the difficulty of her songs. These two are difficult too. You can be flawless in easy tune, but a difficult tune and she's flawless. And the quality of her work amidst the quantity of the songs that she's sung. I mean, you can have beautiful songs if you rehearse for 3 months and then record once, right? But she's recording 3 or 4 songs, rehearsing 3 or 4 songs a day, recording 1 song per day. Yet that kind of high level of quality of songs. This dichotomy is what makes her unique. The greatest artist India has ever produced.
So once again, let's hear it for Archie and for Pawan. They are such fine, humble gentlemen. In fact, they've both been worried. I think late for they're more worried about you than you all are. He's late for a but the fact that you all have stayed back and from the faces, I can make out that you have really enjoyed this evening. At least I hope you all did.
Thank you all for your time and patience. Thank you.